All right, here is this Hoover Encore Supreme hard bag once again. If you guys didn't watch that video of my most recent acquisitions from a week ago or so, this thing scared the living daylights out of me when I turned it on, and the first thing that greeted me was a broken fan. Well, now I have a 20 blade fan in here, so it sounds really good now, and it's very powerful. Figured I'd show it to you guys here. So this is a U5059-930, if I remember correctly. Yes, it's a U5059-930. It has a 7 amp motor. It's from June 1995. It's got a single row brush roll. It has a good belt, though I put the wrong light bulb in it because it doesn't work. This one is interesting because this is the only one I've seen of Encore Supremes that's had the cover where the power switch would be on the handle, but instead you've just got a little cover with the Hoover logo. This one's a more basic attachment model. It's got the wraparound hose with the single wand, and it would have tools here, and there, but they're all missing except for the extension wand and hose. But that's all right. It's missing the little knob for the height adjuster. Not a huge deal. I could probably source one of those on eBay. It's got this sticker on here, which is original, actually. I've seen a bunch of these with that sticker on it. Oh, and another thing that kind of makes this one a little special is this one has a Weisheimer sticker on here, which, for those of you who have been with my channel for a really long time, any people who were with my channel 8 years ago would know that I went to Weisheimer's vacuum cleaner repair when it was still open but closing, and I got a bunch of really old vacuums from there. This was in, I think like November or December of 2016. This was a long time ago, close to 8 years ago now. But yeah, and then I guess I'll open this up and show you. I checked the bag and it feels empty and it didn't smell. But anyway, here it is with the 20 blade fan. Anyway, so that's the Encore Supreme hard bag. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.